In the 1980s, there was an explosion of penny stockbrokers. Fueled by a booming bull market and relaxed regulations, thousands of brokers operated out of high-pressure sales hubs known as boiler rooms. But behind the image of sharp suits, cold calls, and easy money was a darker reality. A boiler room world built on pressure, manipulation, and lies. One such operation was called First Jersey Securities, a company run by a man named Robbert Brennan. You may have heard of Jordan Belfort, the founder of Stratton Oakmont, portrayed by Leonardo DiCaprio in the movie called Wolf of Wall Street. But compared to Robbert Brennan's operation, Stratton Oakmont was child's play. At its peak in the mid to late 1980s, Robbert Brennan's First Jersey Securities grew into a massive, nationwide retail brokerage operation. It employed 1,200 brokers and sales agents. Although First Jersey focused on obscure penny stocks, it built a customer base much like traditional Wall Street firms. Unlike traditional penny stock operations that hid in back-alley boiler rooms, Robbert Brennan used a massive national television advertising campaign to make First Jersey look highly credible. Brennan personally starred in the commercials, frequently appearing beside a private helicopter, pitching First Jersey as the champion of small, emerging American businesses. At its peak, First Jersey Securities managed over 500,000 active clients across the United States. Brennan's brokerages controlled both the supply of the stock and the retail demand. The process was simple. Brokers at First Jersey Securities were trained to charge markups up to 150%. The brokers promoted rising shares to the public to drive up price. Then, Brennan's affiliated companies would sell off their shares at huge profits. This would trigger a collapse in the stock price, and clients at First Jersey Securities would lose their investments, which wasn't a problem for Brennan and his brokers. After all, making hundreds of cold calls to get new clients was just part of the game. In 2001, Brennan was found guilty of money laundering and bankruptcy fraud and sentenced to a prison term of 9 years and 2 months. Brennan served part of his sentence at the Fort Dix Federal Correctional Institution in Fort Dix, New Jersey. He was released in July 2011. Robbert Brennan is now 82 years old. He lives a quiet, low-profile life in New Jersey. If you enjoyed this story, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.